Hello friends, so today we are going to create a blinking emoji in Figma. We are going to do this from scratch, so stay connected. First of all, what we will do is create a circle. Press O and create a circle. I will make it 450 width and height. So now let's fill a solid color or linear color. Let's add one more color in this. Let's make a rectangle. Add a corner radius and duplicate it. Give it a black color. Now select pen tool and create our vector here. Stroke size is set to 35 already. That's why you are seeing this thick line. I'm going to blend it now. Yes, this is looking fine. One more circle here for shadow. Let's change the color of it little bit. Now select all and put it in a frame. Let's put this design in a extra frame. Here it looks fine. Duplicate the frame and change the position of this emoji. It is auto layout. I will remove auto layout and again change the position of emoji and increase the size of the circle a little bit. I will change the position of eyes also. Also, I will flip the eyes vertically. Yes, now it's time to go to prototyping. Go to prototype and select this first frame. Connect these to second. It will be after a delay of 1 millisecond. Smart animation. Curve will be gentle. Duration will be 2000 milliseconds. Select second frame and connect to first. Setting will be same. Let's see if it is working or not. Yes, this is amazing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.